In this section, we are going to learn how to build Identity Server for authentication microservices for our target architecture. Let's check out our big picture of the architecture what we are going to build one by one. As you can see that we have developed movies.api project in the previous section. So in this section, we are going to continue with developing the Identity Server project. This project will be ASP.NET Core empty web application and will install Identity Server for NuGet package in order to be centralized standalone authentication microservices. Identity Server 4 is an open source framework which implements OpenID Connect and OAuth 2 protocol for .NET Core. With Identity Server, we can provide authentication and access control for our web applications or web APIs from a single point between applications or on a user basis. After we have learned the basics, we can start with the coding part.